Okay, so I wanted to show you one of my beeswax wraps, which is the 8x8, which is the smallest one I make currently. And I took, you can kind of see in behind, it is a orange pepper. And I used a little bit of it, well, it would have been a week and a half ago. And I decided to use the beeswax wrap. And I wanted to show you why you want to use a beeswax wrap instead of plastic. This is why. It isn't soggy, it's still stiff, it's in great shape, nothing slimy, it's in perfect condition, and this pepper has been in my fridge covered with a beeswax wrap for a week and a half. Looks actually slightly over a week and a half. So I just wanted to quickly jump on, show you how well it is when you're using any vegetable, but especially when you have to cut just and use a little bit. Use the wrap. There it is there. They're easy to use. I make them well because they stick together really well. And then you unwrap it, and then you place it over. You can tell one side is lighter than the other side. And then you just, it's got some stretch to it because of the cotton fabric and the beeswax and the pine resin and jojoba. And then you just put it over top, and the heat of your hands automatically make it cling. Just like that, easy. Thanks for watching.